culture is lost every day, dissolving through our very fingers, slipping up like butter on a hot knife. Ladies and gentlemen, or should I say, vakomana nevasikana, amantombazana nabafana, varume nevakadzi, abafazi namadoda. Today is a very special day. Today is the day we celebrate that melanin that is underlying within your skin. Today is the day we celebrate our beautiful songs and dances in Africa. There's a reason why today is Africa Day. There's a reason why there is no such thing as Day called Asia Day or Europe Day. It is because we stand out. Africans stand out. Look at the person beside you. Look at what they are wearing. Look at the print that is on their skirt. Look at what is their wearing. There is something that you see within their eyes that you see nowhere else. Creativity, innovation. We hold very special talents within Africa. Today is a day I want us to celebrate who we are. Be proud of that kinky, coily black hair you have. Be proud of that home where you come from, where you speak in your language. Be proud of the Shona you speak, Xhosa, Zulu. Let the world know your language. We all have different aspirations. We all want to go to different places. I believe that it is quite okay for you to go pursue a law degree in a place like Australia, to go do your science degree or your PhD in a place like Germany. But what I want you to carry today is that you are not supposed to be ashamed whatsoever of your African culture. It is something that is so very special and something that you should hold dear to your heart. Show the rest of the world where you come from. Cook sadza in whatever apartment you stay until someone asks you, what is that? Answer the phone in your language. Answer the phone in Shona until someone asks you, what does Masquera say mean? And be proud to tell them. Be proud of where you come from. Celebrate this day with pride because there's no other day we're going to celebrate it.